There's a primal instinct within us, a connection to our ancestors who relied on their wits and skills to survive. Hunting, for many, is a way to tap into that primal instinct, to connect with nature on a deeper level. It's more than just a hobby, it's a way of life. It's about understanding the delicate balance of the ecosystem and our role within it. Hunting is about respecting the animals we pursue, honoring their lives by utilizing every part of the harvest. It's about providing for ourselves and our families, sourcing food in a way that connects us to the land. The thrill of the hunt, the challenge of matching wits with creatures of instinct, is a feeling unlike any other. But it's not just about the kill. It's about the journey, the early mornings, the crisp air, the camaraderie of fellow hunters. It's about the moments of quiet contemplation in nature, the lessons learned from observing wildlife in their natural habitat. So, if you feel the call of the wild, if you're ready to embark on a journey that challenges and rewards you in equal measure, then step into the world of hunting. Your adventure begins now. Before venturing into the wilderness, it's crucial to equip yourself with the right tools and knowledge. Preparation is key to a successful and safe hunting experience. Your gear is an extension of your skills, and choosing the right equipment can make all the difference. From the moment you step into the store to select your gear, to the time you spend inspecting and maintaining it, every detail matters. Start with the essentials: a reliable firearm or bow, appropriate ammunition, camouflage clothing to blend into your surroundings, and a sturdy backpack to carry your gear. Each piece of equipment has a specific role and purpose, ensuring you are prepared for any situation. Next, consider the specific game you'll be hunting and the terrain you'll be navigating. Different animals and environments require different strategies and tools, so tailor your gear to your specific needs. Research and invest in gear suitable for those conditions. Spend time testing your equipment in the field to ensure it performs as expected when it matters most. A good pair of binoculars is essential for spotting game from a distance, while a rangefinder helps you judge distance accurately. These tools enhance your ability to make precise and ethical shots. Don't forget a sharp hunting knife for field dressing your harvest and a first aid kit for any unexpected emergencies. These items are crucial for both the success of your hunt and your safety. Safety should always be your top priority. Wearing the appropriate safety gear and being mindful of your actions can prevent accidents and ensure a safe hunting experience. Before heading out, take a hunter education course to learn about firearm safety, hunting regulations, and ethical hunting practices. These courses provide valuable knowledge that can make your hunting trip safer and more enjoyable. Always treat every firearm as if it were loaded, and never point your muzzle at anything you don't intend to shoot. Proper muzzle control is a fundamental aspect of gun safety. Be aware of your surroundings and let someone know your hunting plan and expected return time. This ensures that someone can assist you in case of an emergency. Remember, hunting is a privilege, not a right. Respecting wildlife and practicing ethical hunting methods is essential to preserving the natural balance. It's our responsibility to follow all hunting regulations, respect landowners' property, and practice ethical hunting methods to ensure the sustainability of wildlife populations for generations to come. By doing so, we contribute to the conservation of nature and the continuation of our hunting traditions. Stepping into the wilderness for your first hunt can be both exhilarating and a bit overwhelming. The thrill of the unknown, the anticipation of the hunt, and the beauty of nature all combine to create an unforgettable experience. It's natural to feel a mix of excitement and nervousness. But don't worry, every seasoned hunter was once a beginner, standing exactly where you are now, feeling the same emotions. The key to becoming a successful hunter is to start with the basics and gradually build your skills and confidence. Practice your shooting stance, familiarize yourself with your gear, and understand the fundamentals of hunting. One crucial step is scouting your hunting location. Spend time observing the area, identifying game trails, feeding grounds, and potential stand locations. This groundwork is essential for a successful hunt. Understanding animal behavior is paramount. Learn about the habits of the game you're pursuing, their preferred food sources, and their movement patterns throughout the day. This knowledge will give you a significant advantage. Start with smaller game, such as rabbits or squirrels. These animals are more abundant, providing ample opportunity to practice your shooting skills and gain valuable field experience without the pressure of larger game. These smaller animals are excellent for honing your tracking and shooting abilities. Each successful hunt will boost your confidence and prepare you for more challenging pursuits. As you become more comfortable and skilled, you can gradually challenge yourself with larger game. This progression will test your abilities and push you to become a better hunter. Don't be discouraged if you don't harvest an animal on your first few hunts. Hunting is a learning process, and every outing offers valuable lessons. Reflect on your experiences and use them to improve. Patience is key. Animals are masters of camouflage and evasion. Be prepared to sit quietly for long periods and always be observant of your surroundings. The more patient and observant you are, the higher your chances of success. Remember, success in hunting is not solely measured by the number of animals harvested. It's about the experiences gained, the challenges overcome, and the connection forged with nature. Enjoy the journey, appreciate the beauty of the wilderness, and cherish the memories you create along the way. Section 4. Honing your instincts, the path from beginner to seasoned hunter. As you gain experience and confidence, you'll naturally progress from a novice to a more seasoned hunter. This transition involves refining your strategies, deepening your understanding of animal behavior, and mastering essential hunting techniques. Tracking is an invaluable skill that can significantly increase your success rate. Learn to identify animal tracks, scat, and other signs left behind by your quarry. Understanding these clues will help you anticipate animal movement and predict their whereabouts. Mastering camouflage and scent control becomes increasingly important as you pursue more challenging game. Invest in high-quality camouflage clothing that matches the terrain and season. Pay attention to wind direction and use scent-eliminating sprays and detergents to minimize your human odor. Calling is another effective technique to lure game closer. Learn the various calls of the animals you hunt and practice imitating them realistically. Using calls strategically can pique an animal's curiosity or trigger a territorial response, bringing them within range. Remember, becoming a proficient hunter is a continuous journey of learning and improvement. Embrace challenges, learn from your mistakes, and never stop seeking knowledge and honing your skills. Section 5. Mastering the hunt, advanced techniques and modern tools. For those seeking to reach the pinnacle of hunting prowess, mastering advanced techniques and leveraging modern technology can elevate your skills to new heights. The modern hunter has access to an array of sophisticated tools and methods that can significantly enhance the hunting experience. One such technique is spot and stalk hunting, which requires stealth, patience, and a deep understanding of animal behavior. This method is not just about the hunt, but about becoming one with nature, learning to move silently and observe keenly. This method involves carefully navigating the terrain, using natural cover to your advantage, and approaching your quarry undetected. It's a dance of patience and precision, where every step and every breath must be calculated. It demands keen observation skills, the ability to read animal body language, and lightning-fast reflexes when the moment of truth arrives. Understanding the subtle cues of animal behavior can make the difference between a successful hunt and a missed opportunity. Another advanced skill is long-range shooting. This technique is not just about pulling the trigger, but involves a deep understanding of the science behind the shot. This specialized discipline requires pinpoint accuracy and a thorough understanding of ballistics, windage, and elevation adjustments. Mastering these elements allows hunters to make precise shots over great distances, ensuring a humane and ethical kill. Practicing at extended ranges hones your marksmanship and builds the confidence to make ethical shots from afar. Regular practice and familiarity with your equipment are crucial to developing this skill. Modern technology has revolutionized the hunting landscape, providing tools that enhance our capabilities and promote ethical hunting practices. These advancements have made it easier to track, locate, and harvest game responsibly. High-powered optics with advanced reticles aid in target acquisition and range estimation, allowing hunters to make more accurate and informed decisions in the field. While GPS devices and mapping apps help navigate unfamiliar terrain and track animal movement patterns, these tools can be invaluable in ensuring you stay on course and understand the lay of the land. Embrace these advancements while remembering that technology should complement, not replace, your skills and knowledge. The essence of hunting lies in the balance between tradition and innovation. Use these tools responsibly and ethically to enhance your hunting experience and ensure the sustainability of wildlife populations. Ethical hunting practices are paramount in preserving the natural world for future generations. Section 6. Your journey awaits. Embrace the challenge, reap the rewards. The journey from a novice hunter to a seasoned pro is an enriching experience that tests your limits, rewards your dedication, and connects you with nature in a profound way. It's a path paved with challenges, triumphs, and a lifetime of learning. Remember, hunting is not about conquest. It's about respect for the animals we pursue, the environment we share, and the heritage we inherit. It's about preserving traditions, providing for ourselves and our families, and experiencing the thrill of the chase in its purest form. So, equip yourself with the right gear, knowledge, and a deep respect for the natural world. Embrace the challenges, learn from your experiences, and never stop honing your skills. The journey awaits, and the rewards are immeasurable. Now go write your own hunting story.